And then also, the issue that I'm mentioning is, you'll notice that on the cap, lampshades, some of them came with black tops and bulbs, but some of them came out without black tops and bulbs. My initial thinking was that the ones with black tops and bulbs are going to be used for demonstration or display purposes, right? And now what I've decided is, maybe I'm going to be supplying you black tops, which are going to be for sale, and bulbs for each and every lampshade that comes through. Because I think a customer, when they come and buy a product, they want a complete product. They don't want hassles to say, I bought this lampshade, but now I have to go and buy a black top, and then now I have to go and separate bulb separately. I'd rather supply those so that everything is a one-stop shop here. But what I would say, initially why I'd left some of the bulbs and black tops is because I was leaving it for the customers to have choice. Because you might find that someone, you put a square, maybe you put a 3-pin round black, and they decide maybe they don't want a 3-pin round black, they want a square one, or they want a 2-pin one. I was leaving that option to the client. And also similarly on bulbs, you find that customers are very fussy. Someone would say, in my house I only use LED lights. Someone will tell you that in my house I only use LEG6 lights. Someone will tell you I only use candle white. So it was for that reason, so that there's that option. But going forward, we're going to be selling those, so that for those who want a complete product, they have the option to buy it. But if they decide they don't need the complete product, they can buy their bulbs elsewhere or their black tops elsewhere. Everything's about choice. It's not a one-size-fits-all. Anyway, further on, the other thing that I would want to mention on merchandising is on handling. Yeah, let's talk about handling and packaging. Let's talk about packaging specifically. What I encourage on ostrich eggs, because I mentioned that they're fragile. When a client buys an ostrich egg, the best packaging is bubble wrap. You will never go with bubble wrap on an ostrich egg. And when you sell it together with the stand, please do not bubble wrap both items and put them in the same plastic bag. This is a hard object. This is a fragile object. We do not know how the customer is going to handle this and what else they're going to carry. And if this rub hard against each other, this is going to crack. So when you sell the ostrich egg and the egg, when you pack these after they've been bought, please bubble wrap them. If it's possible, separate them. If it is not possible, explain to the customer that as much as we bubble wrap this, remember the egg is still a fragile product and handle it with care. If it's not possible to separate them, but ideally I would rather they're separated when you pack and sell them to the clients. That's what I recommend.